G'day guys, Rick here from Perth Bullion Exchange, perthbullion.com.au. Just got a quick little unboxing, a few products here and a few others that came in that we don't have here in front of us, but we'll talk about those as well. These ones here are the 10 ounce, well they call them next generation now, but they used to call them mother and baby, but from the Perth Mint, the 2024 Emu. Now, we did just get these in stock for people who were asking about them. There's an exclusivity arrangement with Perth Mint, so they're very difficult to get here in Australia. So we did get those. They'll be live on the website. So if you are interested in them, I'd grab them quickly because otherwise you might miss out, to be honest. I think there's only about 10 of them there. So the other one, for those who aren't aware, we got some Perth Mint kilos here. Oh, look, that monster box has copped a bit of a hiding. Now, when Perth Mint updated their bar design last year, they also updated the packaging and how they pack the products. So they used to come in a cardboard box, which is pretty ordinary. Now, obviously, they come in these vacuum packs of 5 and monster boxes of 10. So they're a hell of a lot nicer. Obviously, the condition of the bars when they arrive is, as they should be, as you'd expect from a high caliber mint like Perth Mint. So those will be in stock on the website if you're keen on those. And we've got a few other boxes here, but we just grabbed one of each because we've got some multiples there. But these are the 2024 Dragon in Perth Mint. So I've been keen to see these in person myself because last year was probably my favourite design to date. I think these are actually even better. So they're on the improve. So I've done a really good job this year. I think it's just enough background without looking overcrowded. And then obviously the first year of having King Charles there on the back as well. So these, obviously the free shipping will apply on quantities. Just bearing in mind that these come in tubes of 25. So if you wanted a sealed tube, just be sure to order 25 or more. We've also got the 2023 Dragons. We've got some back order of those. They'll be a little bit more expensive, obviously, because they're last year's one. We paid a bit more of a premium on those, but still pretty good price, I think. So they'll be up on the website as well. And we've also got some Perth Mint kangaroo bars as well that came in earlier last week. So they'll go up on the website today as well. So if you're interested in those, head over to perthbullion.com.au. And we'll have some more unboxing videos this week. Customs has been customs, but things are starting to come through. We've got a hell of a lot of stuff backed up with them. So should see a few more this week. So keep posted for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, like, share, subscribe so you can get those when they come out. And we'll see you all next time.